So about 10 years ago, before my lawnmower collection got as big as it is today, I used to work for a guy. He had a whole bunch of 4x4s. He said, you can have all you can use. So I grabbed a bunch of them and I started making this privacy fence shed. Privacy fence is one side of it. I put the 4x4s. I had to buy the 2x4s and the 2x6s. I had a whole bunch of scrap tin. That's this shot. And I started building this shed to put my lawnmowers under. 10 years later, it got really, really crowded. Has a swing and a whole bunch of mower parts. My privacy fence shed, the PFS, it was getting all junked up and taken over with weeds. I'm gonna clean it out and start parking some mowers under there.
Heck yeah.
At least that's the plan. Time to go to the recycle place. Privacy fence shed update. I've got the silver bullet stuck in there. It can't go all the way in because there's a table in the way. I've got to move that table over. Triple Troy's taking up a whole stall. I think I'll take off the triples because this Troy's waiting to get in beside that Troy. The zero-turn Motomo still has a chain link fence in the way. And the only two that are in there just right, that would be the John Deere and Colonel Craftsman. I got to find room for the pool line in here somewhere. I guess down this end where the junk still has to be moved. That's coming up. It is tractor tire swap time. These go back on the front and these bigger ones go back on the back. Make it look right again. Get rid of those little teeny ones. The back tires are now back on. Time to put these back on the front. The fronts are on. The backs are on. I had to go put Troy number 6s back on too. My Troy number 6, those little tiny tires look sick on there in a bad way. I'm gonna put the big ones back on, then it'll look sick. Get that junk out of here. I like to put a little grease so these things don't get rusted on next time I want to go take them off. Whoops. Left-handed. And now they look sick in a good way. Now we'll get this sick, ugly tire off. And this time, what?
It looks sick.
It does look sick. And this time, what?
In a good way.
And now we've got that sick, ugly tire off. We got this new sick looking, and I put grease inside the hub this time.
It's on.
And the bolt should be in the cup holder. Now with those tires back on, stall number 3, the Troy stall looks good. Don't worry about the front tires. We'll probably put those back on tomorrow. Stall number 2 still has chain link fence in the way. Stall number 1, Colonel Craftsman is up on the ramps trying to get a pulley swap. I gotta find a pulley. I've already got it off. I just gotta find, I'm thinking maybe a 6-inch pulley. And then stall number 4, the silver bullet stall. I need to get some junk moved out of there. And then the Poland can be put right here. That's probably tomorrow's mission. And I was looking back at the pictures, the beginning of this video. That table's been there longer than the privacy fence shed. It's time to move it. This is a little test to see how long you've been watching. This wood frame came out of the back of the Chewy van. This stainless steel piece came out of the Chunky boat. And then these chains came off the mower. Chains, now known as Colonel Craftsman. Here's Colonel Craftsman out of the privacy fence shed. Up on ramps, I've got the pulley off. I'm looking for a replacement pulley. Hunting a 6-inch. It's gonna stay right here till I find one. Okay, long story short, I couldn't wait. I went ahead tonight. I got the Poland into place. Poland and a silver bullet. The 2 Troys. 0 turn. Moto Mo. No, I'm not getting rid of that chain link fence tonight. It's been there a long time. Soon, but not tonight. And John Deere. And that is room for all 6 of my mud mowers. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 0 turn, the old classic Moto Mo. 5 and number 6 is Colonel Craftsman over on the ramps.